I have several free Lightroom presets available on my digital store, and I wanted to make this quick video just to show you how to download and properly install the presets into Lightroom. Now, these are presets I have had available for several years now, but I recently went through and just updated them so that they're more compatible with a wider variety of photos and lighting situations. So all you have to do is go to my digital store, which there's a link for in the description. Go to Lightroom presets, put in your email, and click submit. These are totally free, but if you are feeling generous, you can leave a tip by putting whatever price you want into this suggest a price box right here. Once that's done, click submit, then go to view order, and you can download the files right here. Now, open up Lightroom, go to File, Import Profiles and Presets, go to Downloads, and select all the presets and click Import. Now when you're editing one of your photos, you can go to the Presets tab up here on the right, and under Yours, you'll see My New Presets. There are some other fun things that I've been working on that will be added to my digital store really soon, so make sure to keep an eye out on my YouTube community tab to get updates about that. In the meantime, you can watch some more of my videos over here, and I'll see you in the next one.